हाय सर, क्या हम पास्ट 2 इयर्स के इनकम टैक्स रिटर्न फाइल कर सकते हैं? यस, हम पास्ट 2 इयर्स के भी इनकम टैक्स रिटर्न फाइल कर सकते हैं। लेट्स सी व्हाट आर द केसेस। My name is CA Bhuvnesh Goyal. I am a practicing chartered accountant. I cleared my CA final exams in November 2015. I did my BCom honors from Delhi University in 2012. I am a mountaineer by passion. The objective, the goal of the entire channel is to spread awareness at large. So let's read section 139, subsection 8A, which talks about updated income tax return. Updated income tax return. So the section reads as follows. Any person, whether or not he has furnished a return under subsection 1 or subsection 4 or subsection 5 for an assessment year, may furnish an updated return of income or the income of any other person in respect of which he is assessable under this act for the previous year relevant to such assessment year in the prescribed form, verified in such manner, and setting forth such particulars as may be prescribed at any time within 24 months from the end of relevant previous year. So basically, it says that any person, whether or not he has furnished, he has already filed income tax return under section 139(1) or 139(4), or he has not filed income tax return earlier, then also he can file an updated income tax return under section 139 subsection 8A within 24 months from the end of the relevant assessment year. Means for financial year 21-22, he can file his income tax return under section 139 subsection 8A by 31st March 2025. But there are certain restrictions. Not everyone can file return of income under section 139 subsection 8A. Those restrictions are as follows. If that particular return, the proviso says that the provision of this subsection shall not apply. So, income tax return cannot be filed under section 139 subsection 8A if the updated return, the return which you are going to file, would result in a loss, okay, or it would result in decreasing the total tax liability, which was already determined on the basis of return earlier filed, or it results in a refund, or it increases the refund due on the basis of return furnished under subsection 1 or 4 or 5. So let's see, there are certain other restrictions as well. So I have prepared a table for the benefit of all for better understanding. So these are certain cases where we can file the updated income tax return, and there are certain cases where we cannot file the updated income tax return. So let's see the cases where the particular section 139 subsection 8A do not provide us the benefit for filing the updated income tax return. So if the updated income tax return results in loss, then we cannot file the updated income tax return. If the particular updated income tax return results in decreasing the tax liability, then the answer is no. If the updated return results in refund or increased refund, then the answer is no. If there is a search already initiated under section 132 or books or assets documents already requisitioned under section 132A, then you cannot file the updated income tax return for that particular assessment year as well as any other assessment year preceding such assessment year. Or if a notice has been received under section 132, 132A, in which assets book sees requisition of any other person belonging to such person, then for such person, you cannot file updated income tax return for the particular assessment year or any preceding year to such assessment year. And if you have already filed the updated return, then you cannot file it again. If any proceedings for assessment or reassessment prosecution is pending or been completed for assessment year, then also you cannot file updated return. Now, when you can file the updated return? If suppose there was a loss in the original return and you are filing it, the updated return would result in increased income, then yes, you can do it. You can file. And all other cases where there is no loss or there is no decreased liability or there is no refund or there is no increased refund as a result of filing the updated return, then yes, you can file the updated return. So let's see certain dates when the dates which are applicable for updated return. So updated income tax return under section 139 subsection 8A can be filed for 1920 financial year up to 23 March 2023. For 21-21, the last date would be 31st March 2024, and for 21-22, it would be 25 March. So basically, for financial year 21-22, you can already file a belated return and revised return up to 31st December 2022. So this section won't help right now. But currently, you can file updated return for financial year 2019, 2020, and 2020-21. I hope this video must have helped you. Thank you so much. My name is CA Bhuvnesh.